Torrential slide value equivalent to $9.3290 a coin. The present reach. $9.2742, $9.4084. The earlier day close. $9.4047. The change was 0.0757, 0.80%. Converse rate. United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost forecast for October 2023. To start with, cost at $9.24. Greatest cost $11.83, least cost $7.71. The normal for the month $9.27. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $8.29, change for October 10.3%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. Initially cost at $8.29. Most extreme cost $10.74, least cost $6.80. The normal for the month $8.29. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.31, change for November 11.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at $7.31. Greatest cost $7.31, least cost $6.30. The normal for the month $6.92. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $6.77, change for December 7.4%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Before all else cost at $6.77. Most extreme cost $6.77, least cost $5.29. The normal for the month $6.13. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.69, change for January 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at $5.69. Greatest cost $5.99, least cost $5.21. The normal for the month $5.62. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $5.60, change for February 1.6%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $5.60. Greatest cost $5.60, least cost $4.81. The normal for the month $5.30. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $5.17, change for spring 7.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at $5.17. Most extreme cost $5.17, least cost $4.04. The normal for the month $4.68. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $4.34, change for April 16.1%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $4.34. Most extreme cost $4.48, least cost $3.90. The normal for the month $4.23. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $4.19, change for May 3.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $4.19. Greatest cost $4.65, least cost $4.05. The normal for the month $4.31. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $4.35, change for June 3.8%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Initially cost at $4.35. Most extreme cost $4.35, least cost $3.51. The normal for the month $4. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.77, change for July 13.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $3.77. Greatest cost $4.68, least cost $3.77. The normal for the month $4.15. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $4.37, change for August 15.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. To start with cost at $4.37. Greatest cost $4.37, least cost $3.41. The normal for the month $3.96. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.67, change for September 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at $3.67. Most extreme cost $3.67, least cost $2.86. The normal for the month $3.32. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $3.08, change for October 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place cost at $1.94. Greatest cost $2.41, least cost $1.94. The normal for the month $2.14. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $2.25, change for December 16.0%. Avax United States dollars expectations for January 2026. In the first place cost at $2.25. Greatest cost $2.79, least cost $2.25. The normal for the month $2.48. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $2.61, change for January 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2026. To start with cost at $2.61. Greatest cost $3.16, least cost $2.61. The normal for the month $2.83. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $2.95, change for February 13.0%. Avax United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $2.95. Most extreme cost $2.95, least cost $2.31. The normal for the month $2.67. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $2.48, change for spring 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at $2.48. Most extreme cost $2.48, least cost $1.93. The normal for the month $2.24. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $2.08, change for April 16.1%. Avax United States dollars expectations for May 2026. First and foremost cost at $2.08. Greatest cost $2.58, least cost $2.08. The normal for the month $2.29. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $2.41, change for May 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2026. First and foremost